Okay, hello. My name is Lucky Sylvester. This is a project work. It's called rain detection system or rain detecting system. It closes window when it detects a drop of rain or when the rain is falling. So now I want to turn on the system now. Okay, system is on. This is the window, this is the door. It has a bulb inside. Okay, now the system is fully on, it's activated right now. So I want to put a drop of water on the sensor. This is the sensor. This is rain detection sensor. So now the window is now closed. If I clean the water properly, the water is dry, the window will be opened. If I drop the rain again or drop the water again, it's going to close. If I clean it, it's going to. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Okay. The light. If I drop the water, now see that the light is on inside the house. To tell you that the window has been closed. And also the screen, see, it is now the window is open, saying it is open. Sorry, it is not raining, the window is open. So if I drop the water now on the sensor to tell you that it is raining, the window is closed. Alright, and the bulb is on. Thank you for watching. Bless you.